So, hello guys. Today we'll learn what is potential energy and kinetic energy. First, let's see what each one is. Potential energy is energy that is stored in an object depending on the mass and the height of its position. For example, this heavy ball is storing energy because its mass and height depend on it. According to the mass and height that it has, it will store energy. So, to find the potential energy, we have to do mass times the acceleration of gravity, that equals 10 meters per second. Mass times the acceleration of gravity times the height. To find the kinetic energy, it's the energy of motion. If an object is moving, it has lots of kinetic energy. If it's holding its position, it has no kinetic energy. As simple as that. Kinetic energy, it depends on the mass of the object and the velocity. And to find it, it will be mass times velocity squared divided by 2. So let's suppose we have a 1 kilogram ball and it will fall from a height of 20 meters. So as the acceleration of gravity equals 10 meters per second, it means that the ball would fall in 2 seconds. But now let's calculate the potential energy and the kinetic energy. So let's start with potential energy. As I already explained, potential energy equals mass times the acceleration of gravity times the height. That means that potential energy equals the mass, that is 1 kilogram, times the acceleration of gravity, that is 10 meters per second, times the height, is 20 meters. This will equal 200. So the potential energy is 200. So to find the kinetic energy, we have to do mass times velocity squared divided by 2. We know the mass equals 1. And we have to find the velocity squared. To find the velocity squared, we would have to do this calculation. Velocity squared equals the starting velocity squared plus 2 times the acceleration, 2 times the acceleration times the difference of distance. Now this calculation is too complicated for me to explain to you guys, but you will know it through time. But the answer, doing the calculation step by step, would be 400. So we know we have to do 1 times 400, that equals 400. So the kinetic energy would be 400 divided by 2, that equals 200. So today we learned by doing this math problem that in this case the time that the ball will fall equals 2 seconds, the potential energy equals 200, and the kinetic energy equals 200. We also learned what is potential energy and kinetic energy, and we did this math problem. Now you can teach others as I did using this app. Thank you.